Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about phishing. What is phishing? Types of phishing attacks, how to recognize and avoid phishing attacks, and last but not the least, best practices to prevent phishing. So let's begin. What is phishing? Phishing is the simplest kind of cyber attack and at the same time the most dangerous and effective. इसे और आसान भाषा में समझते हैं जैसे आप मछली पकड़ने के लिए कांटे में खाना फंसाकर पानी में डालते हैं और मछली कांटे में फंस जाती है। उसी तरह साइबर अटैकर्स आपको अट्रैक्टिव ऑफर्स देकर आपसे आपकी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन चुरा लेते हैं और आप फंस जाते हैं। उसे फिशिंग कहते हैं। सो बेसिकली फिशिंग इज़ द फ्रॉडुलेंट अटेम्प्ट टू ऑब्टेन यूज़र सेंसिटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइक यूज़र नेम, पासवर्ड, बैंक डिटेल्स, credit cards or debit cards, etc. Basically, phishing is a social engineering attack as it is very easy to attack on human. इसलिए इसे social engineering attack कहा जाता है। लोग financial gain के लिए या revenge लेने के लिए या फिर political agenda चलाने के लिए phishing करते हैं। There are various types of phishing attack. First, deceptive phishing. Second, spear phishing. Third, whaling. Fourth, phone phishing. Now let's see how to recognize and avoid the phishing attacks or scam. First, deceptive phishing. The most common type of phishing. In this case, you will get an email from a bank asking you to click on the provided link to verify your bank details, to steal your information and money. Similarly, pharming is also a type of phishing in which when you click on a malicious link, it will take you to the bogus site and hack your DNS server and redirect to the fake site. So, to avoid this type of phishing scam, users should inspect all URLs carefully and must check for generic salutations, grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes. क्योंकि ऐसे सस्पिशियस ईमेल्स में अक्सर ग्रामेटिकल एंड स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स होती है जिससे आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो ये फेक ईमेल है। नेक्स्ट, स्पीयर फिशिंग. हियर द टारगेट शुड बी अ इंडिविजुअल पर्सन इंस्टेड ऑफ वाइड ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. अटैकर्स मोस्टली यूज द सोशल मीडिया और अदर साइट्स टू रीच द विक्टिम्स. मोस्टली इस टाइप की फिशिंग कंपनीज या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एम्प्लॉयज़ पे की जाती है टू स्टील द पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल इंफॉर्मेशन. So, to avoid this type of phishing scams, organization must conduct the employee security awareness training and limit the employees to share sensitive and professional information and invest into the automated solution to analyze the emails. Next, when attackers targets the higher authorities of an organization like CEO or managers, etc., is called whaling. Whaling particularly higher authorities पे इसलिए की जाती है क्योंकि उनके पास सबसे सेंसिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक मनी ट्रांजैक्शंस या डिटेल्स या कंपनी के और प्रोटेक्टेड डिटेल्स होती है जिससे उन्हें ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो. So, to avoid this type of phishing scam, executive security awareness training is required and organization must set up MFA, multi-factor authentication system for financial transaction. Last but not the least, phone phishing. Here there are two ways to carry out this phishing technique. One is wishing and other is smishing. Wishing is done by phone calls in which you will get the call from attackers to steal your information, and smishing is done by sending you a malicious link through SMS. When you click on that link, your phone's data get hacked. So, to avoid this type of phishing scam, you must avoid calls from unknown numbers, avoid to click on the links received from SMS. Most important is never give your personal information on phone. हमेशा सावधान रहे. What are the best practices to prevent phishing? First, never click on hyperlinks in email. Second, never enter sensitive information in a pop-up window. Third, verify HTTPS on address bar. Third, education on phishing attacks. Fifth, keep antivirus protection current. Utilize anti-spam and anti-spy software. 7. Install and maintain a reliable firewall. 8. Protect against DNS farming attacks. 9. Utilize backup system copies. Thank you.